Okay, that's the left side, that's the right side, okay. Let's do something else because it kind of gets hard to read this. So quick action, come on. Why isn't my mouse working? Can I do that somewhere over here? Only want to extract that as a function, as a method. Damn it. Refactor extract method. Okay. And let's call this use left mouse button. And let's do the same for the right side. Okay, let's select it again. Go in here. Something is kind of wrong at the moment. And let's call this use right mouse button and apply it. Okay. Okay. So this way we have more control over which side we are just working on. And I want to move on the right side. And we could also extract this, but it's okay, we can leave it that way. So if we have quick slot, so in this case we have the inventory, and this is quick bar. Here we can see it. So if it is empty, then we do this, which is okay. And next thing is, if it's not empty, so let's give us a comment here. Slot not empty. Then we check if it's the same item, so we do it here, which I think doesn't really work. So we need to find another way to do it, I think. And then we send our object to the game manager to process. Yeah. And we are sending in the... What do we send in? We send in the target item data and the direct item data. So we can check them inside our game manager. We get them in here, so we don't need this check in here. But if the slot is not empty, it's not the same item, we still want to do something else, and that's send it back. So we want to use this what's that? Why do I... If it's empty, what am I doing here? But I'm not creating a new item. I'm just setting the parent for the new item. If I'm using comments, then they should be right? But even that is wrong. Because if the slot is empty, why are we sending it back to our start position and start parent? So we're not even adding the new item. So we need to add the new item there. And yeah. So we are doing this here. And then we need to create a new one. Create new item, yeah. And set the empty flag. Okay. So we need to do that for the quick bar as well. So let's focus on this first, and then we can go over here and fix it up here. because kind of we could use a method for that because we are using the same code in all of them, and we are also using them in here. Yeah. So we should create a method for reused code. So let's go in here and extract a method from that, and set back to start position, apply, and let's do the same here, and we also do the same here. Okay. Okay, this part worked, so we need to have a look at this. So we have the okay, first thing we can do, if that's not the same, we should move it back. So we can see if it just doesn't find the right match for this. So let's call our new function here. Did I call it set back to start? And let's look if that works, because I think this has a problem here. So let's go in here. And let's move this here. And let's move this also here. We only have one occupied slot, but we have completely screwed up